Somir and today I'm going to unbox this AGV limited edition Pista GPR helmet, and I'm also going to review about it. So before we talk more in details, let's just do a quick unboxing. The helmet. Oops. Wow. Then inside the box it comes a lot of goodies. I'm going to talk about it. Pin lock, tear offs, one helmet bag. Woo. Wow. Wow. I cannot wait to get this on my head and do a ride. This looks so amazing. So this helmet is the limited edition Zoan Mir winning helmet of 2017 and only 1500 to be done. So if you are looking to be among those 1500 riders, you know whom to contact. Get in touch, info@sbkstore.in. I guess most of you would be waiting to know the weight of this helmet. Let me tell you, it's just under 2 kilos, 1.8 kilos to be precise. Can you believe that? And the reason is it's 100% carbon fiber. End to end, everything is carbon fiber, and the price is 1.25 lakhs here in India. Quite expensive. You see the design, it's so aggressive. The aerodynamics is, even if you're riding at like 300 kilometers per hour, this helmet is not going to move by an inch. Now let's talk about what all goodies it comes inside the box. So this helmet only comes with one visor, that is the clear visor. In case you are looking for a smoke or a dark visor or the LCD visor, you need to go ahead and buy it separately, and that's really expensive again. And I've already done a video about how strong are those AGV visors. In case you have missed the video, it was really funny. Go ahead and check it out. Here is the link. Now about the other stuff, it comes with those tear offs. So basically those tear offs needs to go over right here on your visor. Those are mainly used in race tracks. You do not need to use it if you are just riding on the streets. Then it comes with this pin lock visor, like 5 small pin lock visors comes with it. You need to open your helmet and get those pin lock visors pasted right here, and it's going to help you during the winter season because those pin lock visors really help you. Those are anti-fog, so you can just put it on, and winter seasons are going to be amazing for the rides. And then for the small items, it comes with this small pad. So basically this pad is going to help you for this area of your head. You need to just open this liner, put this in and lock it again. And for the other items, it comes with those earplugs. You know why to use it. Huge manual. Huge. Just go through it. I had gone once in 2014, I guess. Lot of instructions. It doesn't seem like a helmet. Lot of instructions. Wow. AGV stickers. Warranty and stuff. Then, oh, I forgot to tell you one more important thing about the helmet. This Pista GPR now comes with this hydration integrated thing. You know about it? This integration is really helpful if you are doing race tracks, even touring. I do not ride on the tracks, so this is going to help me for the touring maybe. So all this part needs to go into your camel backpack. It also comes with this camel back small big valve. So you need to connect this valve to your camel backpack, and this is ready for your mouth. So I just need to make sure you are not putting or not using any other liquids in your camel backpack. Make sure it's just water, please. And then it also comes with extra vent protection. So basically those are the front vents, this is the chin vent, and those are the rear vents. So once you are starting to ride, you need to take this off, and let's say if you are riding on a rainy season, put it back. So basically they have given like 3 extra vent protection. And then we have what else? Then there is a small silicone oil for your visor. You can put it on and wash it, or just for the cleaning stuff. And one more amazing feature which this Pista GPR has got is this rescue pull. So let's say if you meet with an accident or crash, someone can easily get the helmet out of your head by just pulling this. So if you pull this, the whole liner is going to get out, your head is out. So this really is going to help the riders in the race tracks. I mean, So Pista GP was already sexy, aggressive and very much Valentino Rossi, but this Pista GPR is just badass. It's completely made in Italy, and this is one of the most premium helmet you are going to put your money on because it's all about safety, technology and carbon fiber. So you guys know about Pista GP, but this is the Pista GPR. So AGV has completely stopped the manufacturing of Pista GP, and their new production line is this Pista GPR. If you are looking to see the difference between Pista GP and this Pista GPR, there has been a ton of improvements. Let me just go ahead and explain all those differences right now. Now talking about the differences from the front, those chin vents are big and it has got protection now. Earlier in Pista GP we did not have those two small protection, and it's easy to open and close now. For the front vents it's big, broad. For the rear vents it's again broad and it has got protection as well. For the spoiler it's huge this time. I mean Pista GP it was really small, but this time it's huge. Can you see that? I mean, I guess it's done for a reason. It's something related to aerodynamics. And for the design, it's changed, the structure is changed. For the inner liners, it's almost completely changed. I mean, I was just checking today in the morning my Pista GP and I was comparing this. The inner line is completely changed. It doesn't match at all. It has this hydration integration again, rescue pull, lot of features again. So Pista GP did not have those two features, but this Pista GPR is just loaded. About the size and fit, AGV makes two variants. One is the Euro fit and the other is Asian fit. So Asian fit goes to all the Asian countries and the Euro fit goes to all the European countries and USA. For the Euro fit, you get two more size options, that is the MS and ML. I always get myself a Euro fit because my size is perfect size is ML, and if you are going for Asian fit, you just have like options like S, M, L, XL, double XL. And for the fit, this is a race fit helmet. This looks like an egg. It's an egg shaped helmet and it needs to your face to be like oval shape. If you have a rounded face or a broad face or a face like a pumpkin, this helmet is not going to work. You need to go ahead and get yourself a Nolan or a Shoei helmet. So that's all about this helmet, this Zoan Mir limited edition 2017 winning AGV helmet. Only 1500 to be done. So if you are looking to get one of those helmets, let me know and just get in touch with my team at info@sbkstore.in. If you have got any question, just let me know in the comment section below. Smash the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay updated. I will see you next time. Peace.